Halloween, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Hanukkah, Green Monday, Boxing Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, Christmas. Q4 is a wild ride, and no doubt if you've been in print on demand 5 minutes or 5 years, you've heard of Q4. It's that time of year where we all stand to make more in 3 months, really 6 weeks. Actually, it's more like 3 weeks than we make all year. And that is what I want to speak to you about in this video. The mental health aspect of running a successful print on demand business. I've been in the industry for 7 years, and it took me a while to realize that each year follows a very similar cycle. If there was ever a metaphor that fit perfectly for print on demand, it would be like a roller coaster. A roller coaster at a Disney theme park. Yeah. From the outside, it looks amazing. You just got to get on. You have the slow rides, the fast descents, the equally fast ups, the loops, the craziness, and the ease out of the year where you come into land. And before you get off, you have 2 choices. Go around again and again, and you end up feeling sick and you need to quit, or you jump off, reset, take a break, ready to go again. October, November, my sales start to dramatically increase and carries me through to Christmas. That cutoff is usually around the 16th to 18th, depending on the supplier. After Christmas, we can often see decent sales carrying through to January, up until the week before Valentine's Day. After V-Day, it's St. Pat's Day. Then it's quiet for a bit, and then into Mother's Day. Battery change. And costume. We get Father's Day in June, July 4th, and then crickets. So why is it important for you to know this? Managing our mental health in print on demand is critical for our longevity in this industry. Understanding that it's not Marky McZuckerberg that has changed the algorithm again, or fixed the pixel, or Apple sending us for a loop with an iOS 14 update. If you've sold before, you'll sell again. Just step back from the coalface and picture the year as a whole. See where it's quiet, or if you're new, where it's likely to be quiet, and plan for a break. Get out of the office, stay out of the office, spend time with the family, and just take a moment. Running a successful print on demand business doesn't mean you need to show up every day for hours on end just to spin your wheels. In those quiet periods, plan to escape with the family, leave the phone at home, and just chill. Recharge, reset, so when you come back, you're ready to go. I suggest taking a decent break somewhere towards the back end of the US summer, which is typically like the June into September. So what else has Ronnie done to ward off the mental monsters that can push us into depression? Well, I generally make sure that there is a little bit of action happening in our accounts, making sure there's new products going up regularly, which is easy because I have a business partner. Typically one of us is doing something. But if you don't have a business partner, just launch 3 to 5 new pieces a week semi-consistently, creating some listings on Merch by Amazon or on Etsy. Keep stuff ticking over. Once that's taken care of, it's time to check in with your center. I love meditation, I love running, I love the gym, I love getting the kids ready for school, I love running around with them in the afternoon, I love reading, I love spending time with my wife. I am so grateful for the things that I have. Taking care of our mental health does not need to be hard. Find the things you love in those quiet periods and take your time. You deserve it. Take a moment now. You've heard it. I've heard it. I say it. Prepare for Q4. What the fuck does prepare for Q4 even mean? Do I need to be running ads now, or am I just uploading them? Or should I be uploading those products to my store? Do I need to have them designed now? Do I need to get emails ready to be sent out for the big Q4 holidays? Yes and no. Here's a dirty little secret I don't want you telling anyone. Last Q4, we sent very few emails and we had nothing designed. We didn't even have an ad account to advertise into until mid-October. We were as unprepared as you could possibly be coming into Christmas 2020. Mind you, we did have a few tools in our war chest that allowed us to scale hard and fast, but that's as simple as creating your own jewelry phrase spreadsheet and tracking your launches. And make sure you watch this video to know the fundamentals of what makes jewelry sell. That's important. And yet, in that 3-week period, in 18 days, we still did $732,000 with jewelry. I just got back from the run and a thought did cross my mind, and that is I mentioned that we made $731,000 in those 18 days. When it all washed out, we made about $145,000. Now, is that enough? Yes, it is fantastic for that period. And you have to be grateful for those wins that you do have.
I'm in Daddy's YouTube video. Hi, YouTube.
If you have a Shopify store, then yes, setting up your emails, your SMS messenger sequences, your Facebook retargeting sequences to nail those holidays will help bump up that bottom line. But this is POD. With POD, our biggest wins are going to come from that front end traffic. I want you to be kind to your mindset. Don't stress, chill. Have fun and enjoy what's to come. Come November, just make sure you're in your seat, buckled in with designs and ads ready to go. If you're new or need a plan, now's a great time to learn how to best prepare yourself. I do have my Jewelry Juggernaut course available, which helps you hugely in understanding how to research, design, run ads, and create hundreds of design variations very easily. And you can get it from the link in my description. So when you hear, prepare yourself for Q4, make sure you hear, prepare your mindset by taking time so you can enjoy the wild ride that's ahead. Make sure you check out this video now.